Yeah. I was searching for those tetrahydrons, and I found some, but I also found some Lichtenberg figures near the tetrahydrons. And that's a channel which is somehow like about solar powered stuff. I I just was searching for some Lichtenberg figures, and that's a small video how to create Lichtenberg figures. And also notice that it is wet. As you can see, I didn't watch that much yet until here. I will put a link below. You can watch the whole video. I probably will do it too. I don't know yet, but let's see what I mean by Lichtenberg figures.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Here, Phil 20 here today. Shave my head a little bit. Well, not shaved. I use the buzz clippers. It's close, but I got this fractal device. It's Lichtenberg, I think it's what it's called, and it's sending out electricity through the water on top of a piece of wood, because wood's non-conductive unless you have something to draw that will draw current through it, which is salt water does. I'm using baking soda in this right here. It's pretty fun. I mean, it looks different in real life than it does in the video. I really enjoyed this. I'll leave a link in the below to the guy that is doing this. He's a local guy, but I never knew he was in the area or in the YouTube. But that's really cool. Just wanted to say I really liked what was going on. Now, I built a device that's quite a bit different than his. I've got a capacitor in mine. I've got a light switch on mine. I've got a light whenever the transformer is on that turns on. Basically, it's a light bulb, that turns on. I'm going to build a case for it, and I want to get 50 thumbs up from everybody if they want to see how to make the device.
I want to see the result.
Real good light. As you can see, it's still wet from where I rinsed it off and brushed it with the plastic bristle brush for a grill, but I don't use the plastic bristle one.
Yeah, that's a Lichtenberg figure. Probably a bit hard to see. But that's a Lichtenberg figure. Let's check this out. And that's Lichtenberg figures too. And we are not on Mars. We are on Earth. And they are like positive Lichtenberg figures and negative. It depends on the ground charge. If it's more negatively, you get a negative figure. If it's more positive, you get a positive figure. And I talked about those triangle buttresses. Here we have again those Lichtenberg figures. And you can see like the different sediment layers here really well. And this goes on and on and on. And wherever you go, the same pattern repeats. The exact same pattern in its own natural fluctuation. And if you go down here, you will find the Lichtenberg figures again. Yeah, actually, no. Wait a second. I'll show you another Lichtenberg figure, which is probably easier to see.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
Captured lightning sculpture.
Actually, that's not going to fit. No, we got a problem. Well, we can't.
There, get on with it.
Use a plunger?
So, you probably noticed that it didn't take that long to create this kind of figure. And patterns never lie. Which would indicate it wouldn't take long. Like if you have the proper amount of energy to create Lichtenberg figures on a bigger scale. And here are some of those triangular buttresses, tetrahydrons. And again, that's a huge structure. Ah, it's still like upside down, the whole thing. Did I lose it? No. Yeah, I want to see whatever wave of water or plate shifting mechanism like in geology explained, creating these kind of mountains. It's so obvious. The wind came from here and there was this low pressure zone, so it dropped a little bit here. The rest went over there. It cannot be a coincidence. Having these kind of nature occurrences, repetitive fractal patterns. Blew over here, something dropped and the rest went off here. Yeah, they're like downwards. And if we go to the other side, they're upwards. They go like that. This is what I was talking about yesterday or today or whenever I did this other video, when I was searching for those. What I will show you now here. And I will put a link down below where Andrew Hall is talking about those, showing some other examples. You really should listen to this guy. He will blow your mind. If you take a quick measure, no, I can't use that. Add point, no. Let's say from here, add point, then all over here. 334 kilometers. Yeah. How to get rid of that? I have no idea. But anyway, and not far from this location is the Eye of Africa. Richard's structure. But let's not dive too deep in that now. Thanks for watching. Triangle buttresses, tetrahydrons, supersonic winds, no plate tectonics.